Hi, Eric Cornacker with MMI, and I'm standing here with
Kristen Middlesworth.
Behind us is a Verson 150-ton straight side double crank press. It has a 12-inch stroke and a 60-inch by 40-inch bed size. That means the bed is 60 inches wide, 40 inches front to back. The ram is slightly smaller front to back, but also 48 inches right to left. Also has a bolster plate and a full air clutch and brake. As you can see, there's a set of dual palm buttons, meaning an operator has to put one hand on each button to operate the press. Next, come down to see on the table, there's an electric foot switch. This machine can be run off an electric foot switch by itself without the dual palm buttons. The machine also has windows in the side frame, so you can feed the press from right to left or hand feed it from front to back. When looking at a straight side press like this, first thing you want to look at are stress cracks. Start at the crown, go down to the ram, then look at the bed. If everything looks good, move on to the bushing connections. At the ram, at the pivot connections, and on the crankshaft. If all that is good, jack up the ram, see how much play is in each connection. If everything is tight, the machine is good, look at the controls. Make sure they're up to date. If they are, you've got a good press ready to operate. The advantage of buying an older machine like this is you're getting a lot of steel for the price. And also, if you're not looking for a fast machine and can use something slower, this will do a product and work just as well as a newer machine or a brand new machine.